Hello friends, how can we insert an image into a frame in Photoshop the easy way? All you have to do is have your frame ready. Now go to the quick selection tool or lasso tool and make a selection around the inside area of the frame. If anything is over-selected, press Alt to deselect that part. I'll repeat the selection again. Now it's perfect. There is a tiny part left, so we'll fix that as well. After the selection is complete, press Ctrl+J to create a copy. We will create 2 copies of this selected area. Now go to Image Adjustments. Desaturate to convert layer 1 copy to black and white. Turn that desaturated layer off for now. Select layer 1, then go to File, Place Embedded, and insert the image you want inside the frame. Press Ctrl+T, choose Distort, and adjust the image properly inside the frame. That looks perfect. Now convert it into a clipping mask. That's it. The image is inside the frame. Turn the desaturated layer back on. Select the desaturated layer, go to Blending Options, and choose Hard Light. And that's it. Your frame image effect is ready.